Right, okay, this is just a quick video on how to connect a Sphero to your iPad, and then just navigate yourselves to the coding screen in the Sphero EDU app. So if you just find the Sphero EDU app on your iPad and click that, it will then come up with three options. One is to join your class. So if you can go on the Sphero website and create a class, and then learners can join that class as well. Manage your class as well, so the teacher you can then manage, you can assign assignments, things. I think basically if you click on that option, it will take you to the Sphero EDU application online. And if you click on Quick Start, then that's the one that gets you to the the coding and to be able to basically just start quickly and connect your Sphero to it. So I'm going to click that one first, and then if you just click Got It on there, and then it should then open up with the options of what the basic sort of Sphero coding platform looks like. So I'm going to go to the top right hand corner first, where it's like a little Sphero symbol and it looks like a phone next to it. Click on that, then choose your type of Sphero device. Now I've got the Bolt here, so I'm going to go for the second option down. And then what you need to do then, you just need to find the code that's on the Sphero and match it to the one here, and it should then connect by Bluetooth. So it's that top one there. So if I click on that, that will then connect my Sphero Bolt to my iPad. There we go. So that's all connected. So I've now got control of the Sphero. Now if I just basically just want to go through to a programming screen where I can start using block coding, if I click on Programs on the left hand side, and it's already there, actually said, let's get started. So what I want to do is to go down to this bottom right hand corner and click on the plus, and then you want to name your program. So I'm just going to go for program 1 and just put test next to it and click save. And then what that will do then is that it will give you access to the full block coding screen there. So if I just click off that for a minute, there we go, and you can get your screen there. So they've already put some in for you to start off with. So if we don't want to use them, we can just grab the blocks there, we can drag them down to the bottom, and that will delete them. And there's also there, just in the top right hand corner, we have got the aim option there. So if you click on that, you can then move the circle around there, and you just always want to make sure that the blue dot is at the back of the Sphero. Okay, so when you place it on the floor and you want to go forward, make sure that blue dot is at the back, so you can use that aim function to do that. And then to get it rolling, we would press start, but that'll be once we've actually used the actual Sphero itself. Okay, so and there's a few other options there where you can have a look at sensor data and things, but we're just going to be doing the block coding for today. So so down the bottom there, we've got our main blocks. So we've got things like movement blocks, light blocks, sounds and controls. Now I'd say those first four, if you just start with the basics, are the most important ones. So so with the movement blocks, one of the good ones is this roll block here. If we drag that in there, you can see then that you can then change the angle that the Sphero will head at. You can also change the speed that it will head at as well, so you do need to have some sort of speed in there for it to move, and you can then choose the duration that it's going to move. So for example, if you had an obstacle course or something like that, then that is going to be very good for that sort of thing. So we can just program that in like that, and then when I click start now, the Sphero will then move forward at 193 for the speed, and it'll do that for 5 seconds, and it will then stop. Okay, so it's just really sort of basic coding blocks on there. Just the lights one as well, you've got things like the matrix animation or LEDs as well that you could use as well. Matrix one's quite nice. If you click on that, you can choose different animations that will appear on the top of the Sphero, and if you click on the plus, you can even make your own just by tapping on the different LEDs there, and you can change different colours and things. So very nice to use, and when you click start, it will then show on your Sphero. So that's just a very basic, just having a look at those first two coding blocks should be able to get you started on creating things like obstacle courses or navigating around the room, and just be able to get it to connect and then aim it as well.